If you don't fix your mind now, you're fucked. And I'm not saying that for clicks, I'm saying that because I've watched guys your age waste their prime years drowning in distractions, self-doubt, and quiet desperation while the world moves on without them. And if you click off this video thinking, I'll get serious later, just know that later becomes never, and by the time you finally wake up, you'll be out of shape, broke, emotionally numb, and completely forgotten by the same people you thought would always be around. You want one reason to stay? Here it is. The next 5 minutes might be the last chance you get to build the mental strength you're gonna need to survive the chaos coming your way. Because the truth is, this world doesn't reward the nice guy, the overthinker, or the soft mind. It rewards the one who can't be broken. The guy who walks into a room and people shut up, not because he's loud, but because his energy is unshakable. But that kind of power isn't given, it's built. And most of you have been building weakness since the day you got your first phone. You've been conditioned to scroll instead of think, to chase dopamine instead of discipline, to run from discomfort instead of using it as fuel. And that's exactly why your confidence is in the gutter, why your dreams feel distant, and why deep down, you're scared you'll never become the man you're supposed to be. That feeling, that quiet anxiety that creeps in when you're alone, it's not random. That's your soul screaming at you, begging you to wake the hell up, but you keep ignoring it. You drown it out with TikToks, with porn, with fake friends who talk shit behind your back while pretending to support you. You've built a mental prison with your own hands, and you don't even realize it, because it's padded with comfort, pleasure, and lies. But here's what no one tells you. A strong mind is forged in silence, in suffering, in the moments when no one's watching and your brain is screaming at you to quit, but you don't. You get up earlier than you want to. You do the workout you hate. You finish the boring task no one will ever praise you for. That's how it starts. You kill the weak version of yourself, daily. And the more you do it, the more dangerous you become. Not in a violent way, but in the way that people feel. They feel your presence, your intensity, your discipline, and it unsettles them, because it exposes what they lack. That's why building a strong mind scares people. It reminds them they've settled. And you know what? That includes your friends, your girl, your family. They'll all feel the shift once you start changing. They'll mock you at first, laugh at your discipline, question your obsession, until one day, they can't ignore it anymore. Your results will speak louder than any excuse they ever gave you. But none of that happens if you keep living like a fucking NPC, waking up late, glued to your screen, overstimulated, underworked, and emotionally soft. You think your mental health is the problem? No, bro. It's your habits. It's your inability to suffer voluntarily. It's your addiction to comfort. You're not depressed, you're undisciplined. And I'm not saying that to dismiss your struggles. I'm saying it because I lived that life too. I was that guy, lazy, anxious, hiding from responsibility. Until one day I got so sick of my own excuses I snapped, and I started building, day by day, brick by brick. No applause, no motivation, just a ruthless obsession with becoming someone I'd finally respect in the mirror. And now, people notice, not because I'm loud, but because I'm solid. I don't flinch, I don't chase, I lead. And you can too, but only if you stop waiting for a fucking sign and realize this is it, this moment, right now. The choice between staying weak and unnoticed or becoming the kind of man who walks with silent power. You think you have time? You don't. Every day you stay the same. Someone else is leveling up. Someone else is taking the spot you were meant to earn. The world isn't going to slow down and wait for you to get your shit together. Either you man up, or life will make you regret not doing it. So stop blaming your past, your parents, your genetics, or your circumstances. None of that matters anymore. What matters is what you do next. You want a mind that scares people? Then start living like the enemy of weakness. Train your discipline like it's life or death. Starve your distractions. Face your fears. Sit with discomfort until it becomes your new normal. That's how you earn unshakable confidence. That's how you stop being forgotten. So here's your call to action. Close this video. Sit alone in silence for 10 minutes and ask yourself one question. What would the strongest version of me do right now? Then go do it. No motivation, no excuses, just action. Because the guy you want to be is already watching you, waiting to see if you'll finally show up or stay the same. Don't let him down.